Good day all, welcome back to South Africa, and this is South African Prepper. So, I am absolutely flabbergasted every time I open the news because it seems like every single week we have individuals within Parliament and we have Parliament members and Parliament parties, political parties, just going out of their way to make sure that America has enough reasons to actually give us a nice slap in the face. Every time, and I understand, political parties that become irrelevant needs to do radical things in order to stay relevant. But, and I've said this before, are they really so dumb? Or is this planned? I'm about to share a video with you. And again, please YouTube, this is for educational purposes. Okay, we condemn any violence against anybody. I am flabbergasted. Ladies and gentlemen, if you sing songs about killing people is one thing. But if you sing songs about attacking another nation, you must be really dumb, and especially South Africa. Look, South Africa has got the best military in Africa. We are so well trained. We have got the vehicles. We have got the aeroplanes. We have got the skilled soldiers on the ground. We are fantastic. But we take on America. Are we fucking dumb? Ladies and gentlemen, look at this video and please comment, like, share and subscribe, and you tell me in the comment box if this is planned. Do they actually decide today we are going to go attack America, or is it just plain because they are 50%ers? Please, in the comment box, please leave your comment and please tell me, why the hell are these people doing things like this? Are they stupid? Are they retarded? What's going on in their heads? They're going to be sanctioned up into their neck. South Africans, the poor of the poorest black South African is going to suffer because these people just cannot keep their mouths shut. Please, in the comment box. Enjoy.
Yeah, so we can.